And now the exciting part, we move to our next session. That is the Best Paper Award session. So I would like to invite on the stage Professor Saroj Kumar Verma, Dean and Head, former Department of Political Science, Faculty of Social Sciences, Jai Prakash Narayan University, Bihar. Presently Vice Chairman, Indian Institute of Public Administration, Bihar Regional Branch, Patna, and visiting fellow, Center for Study of Society and Politics, Kanpur. We are honored to have you here on the stage, sir. Then I would again want to invite Alka Parikh ma'am, Professor, Director, Center for Field Learning, Ahmedabad. I welcome you, ma'am. And Dr. Suman Maurya, Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science, former Director of B.R. Ambedkar Study Center, the University of Rajasthan. Honored to have you on the dais, ma'am. Yes. So, sir, we will call you for the paper presentation. So these awards have been sponsored by Professor Saroj Kumar Verma in memory of his late father-in-law and late brother-in-law. The purpose of sponsoring these Best Paper Awards is to honor the memory of three remarkable individuals who made significant contributions to their respective fields. These awards are intended to encourage and recognize excellence in academic and professional research while celebrating the legacy of knowledge, dedication, and passion for learning. Through this initiative, we aim to inspire future scholars and innovators to pursue excellence in their work.
So the first paper award is late Professor Bipin Bihari Verma Memorial Best Paper Award. Professor Bipin Bihari Verma was a respected academician serving as a professor and head of the Department of Applied Economics and Commerce at Magad University, Bodh Gaya. He was a dedicated teacher who not only impacted knowledge but also practiced the value he taught. He plays a pivotal role in shaping the academic and personal growth of his students, mentoring them to excel in their career and become better human beings through their own exemplary life. Now, I am calling the name of the presentees, so please come on the stage. The first name is Newton Marian Tiga. Now, again I am calling the name Newton Marian Tiga.
Is Newton Maria Tiga ma'am here? Okay. Next, Dr. Khurshid Jamil, Dr. Mandeep Kaur Chhabra, Darshan Singh, Dr. Amartya Saha, Ankhi Sen Sanyal, Sukriti Srivastava, Mr. Al Amin, Dr. Priyanka Marwaha, Dr. Amrita Banerjee, Rupa Paul Loth, Dr. Kaluram Babusha Dore, Souvik Mukherjee, Subhajit Basu Chaudhary, Noor Jahan, Dr. Somdatta Banerjee, Dr. Sheila Yadav, Dr. Paulomi Malik. Please come up on the stage, ma'am. Thank you. Dr. Sheila Yadav. Yes. So, yes, Sheila Yadav, ma'am. Yes. Please come. Yes, Dr. Sheila Yadav and Monica Jha. Ma'am is taking on behalf of Sheila Yadav, ma'am, as well. Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much. Dr. Paulomi Malik. Is ma'am here? Dr. Urvashi Mishra. Please welcome on the stage Dr. Urvashi Mishra, ma'am. Yes. No, I'm announcing for them. Congratulations, ma'am. Next, Mausumi Das. Dr. Suman Maurya, ma'am. Yes, you deserve both. Congratulations. Many, many congratulations, ma'am. We are honored to have you. Can we have a round of applause for everybody who's here? Because we are grateful that some of them could make it to the conference in person. As you can see, we had more than 70 people getting the awards. So there are very few who turned up. So we can have a round of applause for everyone. Soham Majumdar, Dr. Dibankar De, Dr. Bibhuti Bhusan Biswas, Dr. Har Sangeet Pal Kaur, Dr. Siba Sankar Mohanty, I welcome you. Congratulations, sir. Dr. Siba Sankar Mohanty.
I'm receiving on his behalf.
What's your name?
Love Kumar.
Huh?
Love Kumar.
Okay, so Mr. Love Kumar will be taking up on behalf of Dr. Har Sangeet Pal Kaur. Congratulations. No, Har Sangeet Kumar. Har Sangeet Kumar.
हाँ, Love Kumar.
हाँ, ठीक है. Dr. Subhash Sihag, Dr. Shripat Kulkarni, Dr. Basirat Fatima. Okay. Now we will present the award, late Kameshwari Sharan Memorial Best Paper Award. And I invite Monica Jha. So I was about to invite you for the next award, ma'am. So, congratulations. Ma'am, sir, she's already taken. Yeah. Dr. Preeti Chahal. Mr. Ankan Ray. No. He's from the organizing team, sir. Mr. Ankan Ray.
Please use one mic.
There's one mic. Close. Congratulations and thank you so much for your patience. He was the only offline attendee of our Bangladesh session. So yes, congratulations, sir. Dr. Nivedita Roy, we heard her speak on the Zoom meeting. Dr. Meeta Kavaldar. Howladar, sorry. Congratulations, ma'am. Dr. Meeta Howladar. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? Many congratulations, ma'am. Now I invite Professor Dr. Indrila Guha. Next is you only. Please come. And Dr. Atri Banerjee, ma'am will also take on behalf of Dr. Indrila Guha, ma'am, as well. So Dr. Indrila Guha and Dr. Atri Banerjee. Dr. Atri Banerjee. Congratulations, ma'am. Next, I invite Dr. Urmil Vats, Tanya Ahmed Uma, Noorana, Dr. Suman Das, Dr. Sumana Das. I welcome you, ma'am.
गिरा दिया कैसे होगा बार बार अच्छा ये ध्यान रख
Congratulations, ma'am. Thank you so much. Then we have Dr. Jaita Ray. Your son is very excited. He's always excited. Please come up on the stage, ma'am. Please come. Please, let's have a huge round of applause. Yes, yes. Then I invite.
थैंक यू
I hope he's taken. Dr. Bobby Narayan. I welcome you on the stage, sir. Dr. Bobby Narayan. Many congratulations, sir. Thank you so much. Now I invite Professor Aditya Kumar Singh. Do we have Professor Aditya in the hall? Okay. Dr. Sushil Kumar Singh. Dr. Sushil Kumar Singh, sir, please come. Your good name, sir?
Anish Mishra.
So Anish Mishra, sir, will be taking on behalf of Dr. Sushil Kumar Singh. Many congratulations to him. Thank you so much. Dr. Sandhya Kumari. Professor Dr. Tanya Gupta. Dr. Shafia Nazir. Akib Abid Mullah. Akib, one of the core organizing team member of IHSG. Congratulations, Akib. Let's have a huge round of applause. Many congratulations, Akib. And of course, we have Dr. Nandini Bashisht, ma'am. Ma'am needs no introduction, so please come up on the stage and collect your award. Dr. Nandini Bashisht. Congratulations, ma'am. Many congratulations, ma'am. Dr. Archana Gupta. Now it's time for the Best Paper Award, late Dr. B.K. Sinha Memorial Best Paper Awards. And I invite Mr. Anish Mishra on the stage to collect his award. Many congratulations, sir. Congratulations, Rishi Kumar Kond. Yes. Mr. Rishi Kumar Gond, many congratulations. Next we have Geetashri Barua. Do we have her? Amisha Saxena. Okay. Geetashri Barua, ma'am. Please come.
Name next will be Jal.
Yes, yes. Amisha Saxena. Do we have Amisha Saxena? Hamida Begum. Okay, congratulations, Geetashri. Love Kumar. Love Kumar. Navcharan Singh Sidhu. Yes. Love Kumar ji, congratulations. Thank you, ma'am. You understand, yes. Just 5 more. Please come. What's your name? Okay, on behalf of Navcharan Singh Sidhu, we have Maninder Kaur. Navcharan Singh Sidhu, please hurry up. Yeah, thank you. Diksha Thakur. Congratulations. Ashutosh Singh. Please. Bitupon Nath, SK Abdul Amanullah. आशुतोष सिंह, क्या नाम है आपका? आपका नाम? ब्रिजेश कुमार. आइए. So Brijesh Kumar ji will collect on behalf of Ashutosh Singh ji. You are Bitupon Nath ji? Okay. Thank you. Congratulations. Bitupon Nath. Yes. एक सेकेंड. SK Abdul Amanullah. Suraksha Narang. Saket Bihari, Rajni Patni, Manjunath and Rajinder Singh. Please be ready.
Can I call my guide as well, please?
Yes, you can.
Urvashi Mishra.
Doctor?
Urvashi Mishra. My name is Suraksha.
Dr. Urvashi Mishra, please come up. Your student wants you here.
On behalf of Dr. Sripath Kulkarni, I am also presenting.
Congratulations. And we always need teachers alongside. Yes, it's really nice. We really appreciate. Thank you. Thank you for teaching us something beautiful. Yes. Manjunath. जी. ठीक है. Do we have Rajinder Singh ji? Pradeep Kumar Prajapati? Basit Javed Qureshi. Prajapati sir, please come up on the stage. And Basit Javed Qureshi. Thank you so much. Please, congratulations to you. You are? Oh, it's Basit, I'm sorry, Basit. Okay. And Basit. Congratulations. And of course, last but not the least, we have Basit Javed Qureshi. So yes, thank you very much. Congratulations to everyone. And we move to our next session. But before that, we would want to publish a special conference volume with the articles, a third concept, which is UGC Care Journal. I request Professor Saroj Kumar to remain on the stage, Alka ma'am, all the three dignitaries to remain on the stage, and I invite Dr. Nandini ma'am and Renuka ma'am on the stage for a group photograph with our journals. Thank you so much. And we quickly move to our next segment.
No, just one more.
Sure, ma'am.
Before we move on to the next session, I just want to once again say that all the prizes for this function have been funded by Professor Saroj Verma. So please a big... Yes, so he would like to speak about this because it is because of him that all these prizes could have been given. So we need to thank him for that. Yes, yes sir.
ये माइक
I think it works.
this
No,
mic
not
is of
that.
Disciplinary Institute of Human Security and Governance for kindly inviting me to present the awards and to release the books. Distinguished guests, it is my distinct honor and privilege to stand before you today as we come together for a very special occasion. The Best Paper Awards ceremony held in memory of 3 individuals who are remarkable and who have done immense contribution in their respective fields. And they dedicated their lives to the pursuit of knowledge, education, and public service. This award is not just a recognition of academic excellence, but it is also a tribute to the lives and legacies of 3 men who have left an indelible mark on all who had the privilege to know them and on the communities they served. First, I want to acknowledge my late father, Professor Bipin Bihari Verma, who was a professor and head in the Department of Applied Economics and Commerce at Magad University, Bodh Gaya. His passion for teaching and research touched the lives of countless students. He believed that education is not merely about the transfer of information, but the transformation of minds and souls. His commitment to academic rigor, integrity, and a lifelong pursuit of learning continues to inspire me even today. Next, I would like to remember my late father-in-law, Kameshwari Sharan, who was former Chief Labour Commissioner Central, a distinguished bureaucrat who, despite his administrative responsibilities, was an academic at heart. His love for knowledge and his keen understanding of public policy made him not only an effective leader, but also a mentor to many. He had the rare ability to blend the words of governance and education, and his intellectual curiosity never waned. And lastly, we honor my late brother-in-law, Dr. Binod Kumar Sinha, who is former Director, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, Durgapur, a scientist and academician whose contribution to research and education were extraordinary. He embodied the spirit of inquiry and was always driven by the desire to push the boundaries of human understanding. His work left a lasting impact in his field, and his memory serves as a beacon for future generation of scholars and researchers. Today, as we present these awards to the deserving recipients, we do so with the belief that these individuals carry forward the torch of excellence, dedication, and passion for their respective fields. I would like to congratulate all the participants and winners of this year's Best Paper Awards. Your work exemplifies the pursuit of knowledge, innovation, and academic excellence that these awards aim to celebrate. I believe that in honoring you today, we are also honoring the spirit and contributions of the 3 great men whose memories we cherish. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all those who have made this event possible and the members of the academic and scientific communities who contribute to strive for excellence. You are the torch bearers of the values that we are here to celebrate, and I have no doubt that the legacy of these remarkable individuals will continue to inspire you in your future endeavors. Thank you once again to all of you for being a part of this important event. Thank you so much.